So here I am taking ethyl alcohol in this test tube. Let us see what will be the scenario here. See, in one test tube I have taken water, in other test tube I have taken ethyl alcohol. Now let us add KMnO₄ to both of these test tube and let us see what will be the magic we are going to observe. Come Harish, help me out. Yes. Okay, you can see. So see here, let's add KMnO₄ to the water which I have taken in the test tube here. See, there is no change in the color. It appears like pale pink only, right? Now let us add same quantity of KMnO₄ to this alcohol and let us observe what will be the change. See, yeah, Harish, you can catch this. Now to this, here I am adding KMnO₄. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so now here you can observe slowly that pink color gets faded out. If you wanted to observe this more quickly, you can add small amount of acid also. Therefore, that KMnO₄ color disappears quickly. Or you can take extra amount of alcohol also, it disappears. Let's add little more ethyl alcohol to this so that completely gets faded out. Yeah, you can see here what makes the difference in both of these. See here, the KMnO₄ pink color appears as it is, but here the KMnO₄ color is completely changed to the brown color or almost colorless, right? Upon addition of little more acid to this, complete decoloration takes place. So now what happening in this both cases? Yeah, let me explain using the book. So what happens when KMnO₄ is added to alcohols? See, alcohols gets oxidized to carboxylic acid and KMnO₄ get reduced here. Let us see the reactions that are taking place here. See, now I have taken three different types of alcohols. The first one is our ethyl alcohol, can be considered as primary alcohol, and this is a secondary, this is a tertiary alcohol. So first of all, how can I classify them as primary, secondary, tertiary? Now look at this, the hydroxy group that we are seeing is attached to a carbon having one directly attached carbon, whereas in case of secondary, hydroxy group is on that carbon which is having two other carbons. So how many carbons are directly attached to this carbon? So here two carbons, no? It is secondary. So in this case, our hydroxy group is on that carbon which has three carbons directly attached to it. So it is a tertiary carbon, okay, or tertiary alcohol. So this is our primary alcohol. So what is this? This is our primary alcohol. Like this, we have primary, secondary, tertiary. Now what happens when we add KMnO₄ to the primary alcohols? So primary alcohol gets converts into respect to carboxylic acid. Particularly here ethyl alcohol, how many carbons are there? Two carbons. With two carbons, what is the carboxylic acid we have? Acetic acid. So the product formed here is acetic acid. CH3COOH. Acetic acid is our product in the first case. In second case, here it's a secondary alcohol gives you ketones. What happens? I'm saying gives you ketones. Sir, why exactly ketones? Why exactly acid here? Means how many hydrogens are there here? Two now. So that two gets oxidized to OH groups. Just remove the water so that you're going to get a carboxylic acid like this. Okay. In this case, we have only one hydrogen attached and this OH group. So now both of them converts into hydroxy groups and remove them as a water molecule. You are going to get a ketone here. So CH3COCH3. Okay. So in case of tertiary alcohol, there is no directly attached hydrogen to get oxidized. Therefore, in tertiary alcohol case, there is no reaction. I hope it is clear that in case of primary alcohol, the product formed will be carboxylic acids. In secondary alcohols, it will be ketones. Tertiary alcohols, no reaction. I hope the concept is clear. Now I will be showing you the exact balanced equation of primary alcohol with KMnO₄ here. Okay, this is a balanced equation. Now one more thing I just wanted to say is, I will be giving you few questions from previous year papers of NEET, JEE and EPSET. You just go through them, can quickly answer them in the same manner that we have discussed here. Okay, the story will be same even if you take other oxidizing agent like potassium dichromate. Okay, so KMnO₄ you can take, or potassium dichromate also you can take. The scenario will be same. That means the product formed will be same here. I hope the concept is clear and helpful. If you like the content, please hit on the like button and you can share with your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching.